This is the ideal rocket equation interactive calculator, which solves for key rocket propulsion parameters using Tsiolkovsky's rocket equation. The calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options: calculate delta V, calculate mass ratio, calculate exhaust velocity, calculate final mass, calculate initial mass, and calculate from specific impulse. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate delta V. The input fields are exhaust velocity in meters per second, initial mass in kilograms, final mass in kilograms, delta V in meters per second, specific impulse in seconds, and mass ratio as a dimensionless value. Let's work through an example. I'll enter an exhaust velocity of 3,500 meters per second, initial mass of 5,000 kilograms, and final mass of 15,000 kilograms. After clicking Calculate, the results show a delta V of 42,013.90 meters per second, confirming our rocket can achieve this velocity change. The mass ratio is 3.333, meaning the initial mass is 3.333 times the final mass. The calculator also provides propellant mass of 35,000 kilograms and a propellant fraction of 70%, showing that 70% of our initial mass is fuel. This calculator streamlines mission planning and propellant calculations. Find the link in the description below.